My mother was having the diabetes, and then she was on dialysis because of the kidney failure, because of continuous taking of the medicines. It affects other organs.
Yeah, I'm Vijayalakshmi and this is my husband Srinivas.
Yeah, I was diagnosed with diabetes in 2012. So immediately I was very scary and then very tension, because I know this diabetes is a deadly disease and it affects other organs of the body.
We were very afraid of that word only, diabetic means. Because we thought once if diabetes, it will continue till the lifelong this thing. Since 3 years I am diagnosed with this diabetes. Even though I am very careful and all those things, I am following diet programs and all. My first this thing was HbA1c was 6.5. I am very much scared because then our doctor told because of obesity you have got this. I was trying so much to lose weight, but it was not possible to lose weight.
No, it is an inconvenience. Apart from our daily life, we have to spare time on that and also concentrate. In terms of work, actually the energy levels will fall down. So then there will not be any much enthusiasm in doing the work.
So then we interacted with so many other people who are having diabetes, and they told we should not eat sweets, we should not eat that, we should not eat that vegetable, this vegetable.
Lot of restrictions
Programs,
are there, in food.
function.
Lot of restrictions, lot of this thing. So at that time, my 3 months HbA1c was around 10.3 when I was first time. So immediately has advised me to take some medicines. I am taking since 2012. So madam was
It was started actually with one tablet and then it is increased to some 3 tablets daily.
So all these things, actually we undergone with this all these restrictions the last 8 years. Doctor advised you are having 9.3, better you have to start with injections. So tablets are not working for you. So immediately he also given me one option that there is also a diabetic reversal program by the Twin Health Organization. It has already been reversed for so many people. It is in US and also it has come to India last 1 year. So then he told, he has shown so much of patients who have undergone this and reversed. Then immediately I got convinced without any second thought. I opted for that and then I took that program in the month of May 2020. My HbA1c, which was 9.3, got reduced to 7 within 3 months, and I lost 10 kgs of weight within 3 months.
After seeing his this thing, improvement and all those things, I enrolled after 3 months. Once I enrolled to this program, they have given this glucose monitoring patch. So with that, every 15 minutes our glucose level will be recorded, and we will be actually curious to know our glucose level. After eating this, what is my sugar level? Or after eating that, after drinking coffee, what is my sugar level?
And wherever, if you have a BP, they will give a BP scale instrument also. It will record automatically the BP also, and also I will get my heart levels also through the watch. They are giving this watch also, because this is sensor watch.
We are attached to very good coach. She is Sulakshana, and she will give all the recipes, everything in detail. How to prepare also she will tell. So we need not crave for any other food that I have to, like, it is not like any other diet program. So it is very easy to follow also. It's not much.
And we can call the coach anytime, anywhere any problem is there, we can call, she will tell. So you take this or you don't take this, like that. Whenever we have a doubt, we always send a WhatsApp or send a call, okay, you can take this food. So they will guide. So on and off, there is no need to take any appointment. Anytime we can call by WhatsApp, they will give all the information irrespective of the time involved. So the coaches are very good, very dedicated coach. So they have a lot of responsibility and accountability more than us to ensure that the sugar levels are brought down. So this is part of the program, and I need not visit any clinic or any doctors. So everything will be served at my home only. They will come to the home and take the blood samples and give the report, and they will fix an appointment with video conferencing with the doctors. So everything at home only. We have to log on to the app, Twin app, so which will be recorded in the app, and then we'll get the cumulative average. So like that, it will be connected to the artificial intelligence, and after some time, all our body conditions will be recorded in the app, Twin app. so which enables them to reduce the glucose levels. After taking this program, the lifestyle has been changed and my glucose levels have been decreased. So I have become a normal person and more energy levels are there, and I can turn around, more productivity is there in my work and all these things.
Blood pressure levels are also slowly reducing, and even my sugar levels have dropped, and my energy is increased.
This twin program is a very good program and it has changed my life. I suggest that all the diabetic persons should enroll with this program and take the benefit without any second thought.